it. Pero for now, Guo Huaping is cited in contempt. She will be held in the PNP Custodial Center, and the court will be informed that her presence will be required by the Senate for the continuation of our committee hearings. The OSAA, under the good General Angkan, will coordinate with the PNP for her turnover if she posts bail, turnover to the Senate, or once there's a final determination on the issue of jurisdiction of the court which issued the judicial warrant. Hanggang di ka magsabi ng buong totoo, Guo Huaping, your contempt citation stands. At kung ikaw ay totoong natatakot para sa buhay mo, sa tingin ko, ang pagsasabi ng katotohanan, yon ang mas makakaprotekta pa sa'yo. Yes, oo. So, nang may lubos na pagpapasalamat sa lahat at sa aking mga kasama dito sa Senado, this hearing is suspended.